Hello, today we are solving Jan 2023 Unit 2. The first question is, Middle East Mining PLC owns 4 mines where ore is extracted and used to produce the metal aluminium. The price of the aluminium is determined by the world market. Figures for the mines of the year ended 31st December 2022 are shown below. The mine names are Alcaran, Banitas, Kabaid and Talamora, and the quantity of the ore mined in kgs is 12 million kgs, 80 million, 160 million and 20 million kgs of ore is mined. Then additional information, 4 kilograms of ore will produce 1 kilogram of aluminium. If I have 4 kilograms of ore, I will be able to produce 1 kilogram of aluminium for each. Then all the aluminium produced is sold. Calculate the quantity of aluminium in kilograms produced by each of the 4 mines. So they have said this is the estimation they have given of the quantity of the ore that's going to be mined. So let's write here. So ore mined, okay, ore mined quantity that is given here. It is already given. For Alcaran it is 12 million, okay, for Alcaran it is 12 million, so 12 million kgs, okay, so for Alcaran it is 12 million kgs, and for Banitas it is 80 million, okay, 80 million, and for Kabaid it is 160 million, and for Dalamora it is 20 million. So, and they have given one more thing. So the aluminium produced, what is the quantity of aluminium produced? Okay, so they have given for every 4 kilograms of the ore I'll be able to produce, okay, 4 kilograms of ore, 4 kg of ore, I will be able to produce 1 kg of aluminium. So, and for each case you have to write. So if I were to produce 12 million, okay, 12 million kg of ore, okay, 12 million kg of ore, then how much will I get? So 12 into 1 divided by 4, so that is equal to 12 million divided by 4, that is equal to, that is going to be equal to 3 million kgs, okay, of aluminium is going to be produced. So 3 million kg of aluminium is going to be produced. Now similarly, okay, similarly you have to calculate for each one of the 4 mines they have given. So the first one is this much, okay, then the second one for 80 million kg, okay, ore produced by Banitas, then how much aluminium they are going to extract? So 80 into 1 divided by 4, so 80 million divided by, okay, 80 million kg, okay, they are going to produce, so 80 million divided by 4, that is equal to 20 million, okay, so 20 million kgs of aluminium is going to be produced. So let's write here, it's going to be 20, 80 divided by 4, that is 20, so you have to divide everything by 4. Then similarly you have 160 divided by 4, okay, 160 divided by 4, so 160 million kg ore if you produce, you will be able to extract 160 divided by 160 million, okay, divided by 4, that is equal to 40 million kg of aluminium it can be extracted. So this will be 40 million kgs of aluminium extracted, and for the last one you have 20 million kgs of ore, 20 million kg ore, from which you will be able to extract 20 million divided by 4, that is equal to 5 million, that is equal to 5 million kg of aluminium. So these are the quantities of aluminium that is going to